Gift Center Black Friday deals, holiday deals just dropped. At this depot. Yes, this is the only depot, at least in my area, that I know of. They just dropped, and I'm here, and I got some of the deals, not all of them, completely all of them, but I do got most of them with the gift center. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so you guys won't miss any of these following deals, any of the future deals, the Black Friday deals that are coming up. All right, let's go ahead and get started. All right, to start here, we got the mower. Yes, this is the mower. It does come with two batteries, two 12 amp hour batteries. This is a newer mower. It's actually kind of pricey, but hopefully we're gonna see some deals on these. Probably in the spring. We got this on pretty much yellow tags mean clearance. Sometimes they do clearance, or just new lower price. This is like the the freeze up thing that you. Here's a cooler, 16 quart cooler for $28 down from $30. It's kind of like the classic style. All right, so this is the irrigator, or whatever you like, a narrator irrigator. It's on new lower price, and then you got a motion activated security light for $30 down from $59. We got a whole bunch of these, by the way, on clearance. I'm going to go over the clearance section first, and then I'm going to go over the gift center, because this store has a lot of clearance and a lot of good stuff too. This is 1600 lumen. Some more lights over here, 35 down from 69. That's a pretty good deal. We got this one from 39 down to 999. It's a 500 lumen. It's a smaller light. It does have a built-in battery, I believe. And then we got the yellow jackets. Yes, guys, be on the lookout for these. They will drop. I believe last year I got some for like 20 bucks. $100 extension cord for like 20 bucks. It was crazy, and I'm pretty sure it's gonna get that way this year. With these extension cords. And this is a great brand. I still have mine from like 2 years ago. Some from 2 years ago, and some from last year. So pretty good. This one's $69.97 down from $99. And this one's a $14.3, $53 down from $59. Make sure you guys look at the gauge, and do obviously you have to put the right gauge with the powered equipment you're going to be turning on. 3000 lumen for $24 down from $99. That's a killer deal on that one. Wise Smart Thermostat, $63 down from $79. I'm looking to get something like that. Let us know in the comment section which one did you have, or do you have experience with those thermostats, those smart thermostats. You got a 7-day touch smart thermostat from Sensi. Never heard of that one. Black banana extension cord. 16.3. So this one's a smaller 13 amp. And then we got the rigid here for 38 down from 49.56. We got the green here extension cord, $11 down from 13. So yeah, there's a whole bunch. Traditional LED puff lights down from $129, guys. $129 and down to $33. I don't know exactly where you would use this. Maybe a kitchen or something, or a garage. You got a 2 fender. You got another lanyard here. So just different styles. Lanyard hat. 142. These are all on clearance. This is crazy low. I don't think they sell a lot of these. A chin strap here for the hard hat. 272. 4-point ratchet full brim white. You got a high visibility sleeve shirt. All different sizes. Yes, guys. This is the new Black Friday deals. This is part of it. Not all of it's up yet. Keep in mind that the prices are not updated. This is just them putting it out there. Let's start here with this Forge battery. It does have a 50-minute with the supercharger, 0 to 80, I believe, percent. This is the supercharger combo kit. Does come with the Forge lithium Forge battery. And that was $199 for the battery, $299 for the charger and the battery. So, and then you got the reciprocating saw with the charger and the forged battery for $2.99. I mean, not the supercharger, the reciprocating saw, and then you got the angle grinder kit with that forged battery, charger, and a bag. But yeah, this thing, 15 minutes to 80%. That's crazy. And it is a dual base supercharger, so yeah, I don't know. Let us know in the comment section if you guys want to see that on the channel. If you guys want to see versus videos of the Milwaukee tools with that battery. Obviously with some 6 amp hour batteries and some 12s versus some 12s. These are newer tools or deals that they got, not newer tools. But I don't know if they're going to make a buy one, get one free with these or not. Because they did have a starter kit at the beginning, if you guys did see that. So I don't know if they're going to have a buy one, get one free with this starter kit. So hopefully they will, have a few extra tools. Now keep in mind that these are not fuel tools. These are brushed, or actually they're brushless. That one's brushless. And then we have a rubber light there to the left. Hacksaw, I believe that hacksaw is not brushless. It's not a fuel. You got the 2-gallon wet and dry vacuum, M18. That's not the pack out. And then we got the starter kit there and some reciprocating saw blades on the right. It says 9 free blades, and it does have a nice case with it too. So that's pretty nice. We got the framing nailer, 21 degree for $3.79. That nailer is pretty nice. I do have it. It's very powerful. $139 for this impact wrench. However, I did not see a brushless or a mid-torque label on this this box. From what it looks like a budget, like a brushed impact wrench. However, this is one of the newer ones. This is the newer DeWalt high torque impact wrench kit. The XR, yeah, it's not the 951. I heard about the 951. It's not that one. It's a DCF 900P1. So, yeah, it's definitely really powerful, but, This one, however, this one's a weaker one, same as the rigid. It's not as strong. I was looking it through here. They don't have anything, but the only thing I saw was 450 foot-pounds. So that's not a lot, guys. For $99, I mean, it's good because, it'll do most of your vehicles, your street vehicles. But when you run into that, you want to have the high torque. That's what you want to have. All right, so we got a hybrid panel light. We got a speed out. The same as last year, basically. This one's 1577. Screw extractor. You got some 11-piece half-an-inch impact sockets, $62.97. Again, the prices are not updated. The sales do not start until the 23rd. So I don't know exactly why they have all this already out at this store, but this store tends to do that because it's one of the top-selling stores or best stores that they have around the valley. So $109 for this ratcheting wrench set, 18-piece. It's a really nice set, same as last year's. Well, very similar. $16.88 for the 20-ounce steel hammer. We got a folding portable work table from DeWalt. So that's not bad. It's pretty good. Same as last year's. We did see this. Same thing. $169 M12 2-tool combo kit. And then we got a 2-pack of 3 amp hour batteries for $129. $29.88 for 120 piece. We do have a whole bunch of 1-inch bits here on the top. 2-inch bits to the right, mostly Robertsons or Stars. You got some Robertsons there to the left, and some 2-inch bits and some drilling bits to the right. All right, they got another starter kit here, or actually another battery kit 3-pack for $199, which is expensive compared to the one we just had, the buy one get one free. And then we have all these tools for $99. We got the crown stapler, the 1288 for the 1000 lumen dimmable light from Diffint. And then we got a 6-in-1 screwdriver Husky. However, no price on this one. We got a 3-pack of folding lockback utility knives for $21. So not bad on these. I'm pretty sure they're gonna lower the price. $788 for the 6-piece impact socket adapter set. Now there's different sizes on these. You got 3/8, half an inch, quarter inch, and then you do have longer ones and shorter ones. So $79.97 for the 94-piece mechanics tool set. You got 2 ratchets with that one. It's actually a pretty nice set, pretty bigger. Great for for the truck or something. Now, however, if you need something for like a motorcycle or something smaller, now this one works best. This one's a 46-piece. Stubby tool set, $79.97 for the 94-piece mechanics tool set. So yeah, it's pretty much I think one of the best sets out there. Hopefully they'll lower the price on that one. We got an extension set here, universal extension. So all kinds of sizes and adapters on that one. You got $44.97 for the 3-piece pry bar set. Now this one's same as last year's. Actually, most of these are gonna be very same as last year. So 3-piece Pro 144 position ratchet for $49.88. Now this does come with a nice organizer you guys could put in your toolbox in your drawers. $19.98 for the 4-pack of 1.5 by 16. Again, prices are not updated. You got a DeWalt black and gold for $11.97. It is a 10-piece, so it's basically a just a starter. It's not a pro. So drill a couple holes and that's it. You got a nice set here. It's an oscillating tool 100 reciprocating saw, a drill driver, impact driver, 2 batteries, I believe 2 3s. Actually, 2 2-amp-hour batteries, to be exact. All right, you got a 28-piece combination wrench set for $29.88. This is actually a pretty nice set. It does include a whole bunch of combination wrenches. You got SAE and metric, both on each side. $11.88 for these. This is textured gloves for a 6 pair. You got $9.88 for these 500 lumen and 700 lumen lamp. Now these guys, don't buy it. Well, at least why? Because mine broke and it's kind of a pain to carry that around. This one I haven't used this one before, so it looks pretty decent, but keep buying those batteries. That's just gets old. $14.88 for that rubber mat, and then you got $19.88 for this 1200 lumen lights. These are rechargeable. Yeah, get rechargeable lights, guys. Don't be spending your money on batteries. $49.88 for the 16-piece ratcheting wrench set. Now this one's from Husky. It does include an organizer for your toolbox, so they're not flopping around everywhere. $19.97 for the 650 lumen and the 1200 lumen dual lamps. Now I do have these. Invest in something like this. This one's a little bit nicer than the other one. These are rechargeable, so you guys don't have to spend that much money on batteries. So pretty good deals on these. Talking about batteries, here's a 3-pack, $9.97. These are not rechargeable. These do take batteries. I don't know if it looks like it's included in there. $16.97 for the 8-inch cutting. Well, actually the crescent pliers. There's different ones there. This is an example. Some side cutters. 7-inch. $59.97 for the 55 slim flex head ratchet. So this is very similar to the one from last year as well, but it's a really nice tool to have, especially with a tight space. All right, so motion activated floodlights, $29.88, like same as last year. We did see some lights as well. This one's 300 lumen. It is motion activated and dusk to dawn. $26.97 for the Gator. $29.97 for the 15-in-1. That's the clip folding knife, and then you got the Machete Junior style from Gator, and then you got a an Air Ranger clip-on folding knife, and then a beanie on the other side. So same as last year, like I said. You got a pocket knife or multi-tool. All right, and then if you guys got rental properties or you guys could use those. 2-pack of spring-assisted pocket knife and utility knife for $16. And then you got some screwdrivers here. Really nice screwdrivers. They do have a rubber grip. And that is a 2-pack of knife. A utility knife and a folding knife. 1988 from the Ultra 25 piece. Now this one did come back from last year, because last year we had basically for the same price, and then this is the right angle adapter, which is a killer deal on these guys. You're basically getting the adapter for free there. So 1988 for the trigger clamps from DeWalt. And then you got this self-leveling laser level 55 footer with a nice case. That's pretty nice. $29.88 for the Max Ultra 120 piece with the tough case. So there's a whole bunch of bits and extension bits there to the left. Bit holder there, some Tic Tac case with a whole bunch of 1-inch bits, and then some drilling bits and some nut drivers there to the right, some 2-inch bits. So pretty nice. Some gloves for $16.98. You got a 3-piece adjustable wrench set for $24.97 and a 3-piece locking pliers. So these are pretty good. I'm pretty sure they're going to drop these a little bit more on Black Friday, or as we get closer to the 23rd. So be on the lookout at all these deals for your Home Depot. Make sure you guys stay tuned, guys, because when some of these deals drop, sometimes they do sell out. You wanna know what you're gonna get or what prices are out there. We got this one down to $199, so it's a pretty good deal on this one. A few bucks off on that one. And then this one's down to $182. This is Super Saw, down from $259. These are clearance, by the way. And then we got this one to $200, down from $240. A laser level from Milwaukee. M12. And then we got the Octane Jigsaw for $129, and then the compact barrel for $136. So yeah. And then the clearance section here, we got a pin nailer here for $219, down from $249. Then we got that $24.97 for that universal fits tough system plate, universal, so you guys can stick your tough system and all that stuff. Your T-stack, and then you got a panel light for there for $129. My guess is the older style, because they do have the newer style up on the gift center. Guys, that's it. Make sure you guys stay tuned. Make sure you hit that bell icon. Don't miss any of the deals that I put out, because from here on out to the beginning of next year, it's going to be a non-stopping, sometimes posting every day, sometimes posting at night when all these deals drop. That's it for today. You guys have a great work week. Yes, we did post early because there's more videos coming. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next one.